I have tested quite a number of Antidetect browsers, but this one I'm about to show you is one of the most super amazing multi-login and anti-detect browsers you will ever find anywhere on the internet. If you are very active online, either as a content creator, an affiliate marketer, an advertiser, a crypto trader, a social media manager, or just out there trying to make money online, you will agree with me that one of our most serious needs is creating multiple accounts on all of these platforms. The problem is that these websites are becoming very sophisticated and can trace your multiple accounts and get you banned. But with Dicloak, it is not only that you can create unlimited accounts, but you will be able to manage all of them from the same dashboard, which makes life amazingly easy for you. Dicloak Anti-Detect browser is basically what you need if you're someone whose job online requires that you create multiple accounts on different online platforms and efficiently, and most importantly, securely share your account without compromising privacy and control. So if you're a solo business owner or you run a company and you want to safely manage multiple accounts, prevent bans that could arise due to multiple account creation, then this tool is what you need. So using Dicloak can actually help you to optimize your workflow efficiently, since you can share accounts with your team members securely. So let me quickly show you how to get started with the Dicloak Anti-Detect browser and multi-login tool. The first thing you want to do is to click the link in the video description below this video, and it will bring you to the Dicloak interface. To get your account created, come here and click the download button. As you can see, Dicloak is available for practically all operating systems. I am using Windows, so I will go with Windows. You can feel free to choose your own device operating system. Here I will go with the 64 bits and wait a few moments for Dicloak to be downloaded on my computer. Once the download is successful, go find the file on your download location, then click the software, and then you simply go through the usual installation process. Once the installation is complete, just go ahead and launch the browser, and as a new user, you will have to sign up for a new account. I will sign up with my Gmail address here, and again follow the usual sign up process to get your account created. Here, indicate the active email address that you want to use to create this account, because you will need the Dicloak auto-generate code to verify your account setup. So click here to request the code, and then go to your email inbox, copy the code and paste it in here. Then create your password here and then hit the sign up button. And once you do so, it will take you to your new Dicloak account dashboard. Now, depending on when you sign up, the first thing you will see here is the promo that Dicloak is currently running. You can always take advantage of any of their 25%, 35% or the 45% promo package. We'll talk more about that before the end of the video. But let's just go ahead and create our first profile. So I will come in here and then I will click the create profile button. So here we can create a browser profile for whatever account that we are trying to create. But since the whole idea behind using Dicloak is to be able to create multiple accounts, then instead of me manually creating these browser profiles one by one, which will really be a tedious and boring method when onboarding multiple account team or users, let me show you how to batch create multiple profiles at once, which make life so easy. So here, click batch create. Here you can create up to 10 browser profiles at a single time. But here, let me demonstrate with 5. So I'll create 5 profiles at once here. So now let's use ChatGPT as an example. So now we want to create 5 ChatGPT browser profile accounts at the same time. So what I need to do is to come here and click add profile. If you come here, you will notice that virtually all the popular platforms are here for you to create your multiple accounts on. But let's even say that the online platform that you wish to create your multiple profiles for is not on this list. All you need to do is to paste the URL of that profile here. Just as you can see that ChatGPT is not on this list here, but you can see that if I paste the ChatGPT URL here, it's going to detect it. But if in your own case, the account that you're trying to create is on the list, all you need to do is just to select the particular account that you're creating your profiles for. Alright, so here I can create a group for this profile for easy management, though it is not compulsory. For proxy settings, you can use your own custom proxy, or if you have one already saved, you can also use it. All you need to do is just to input all the proxy details here appropriately. If you click the fingerprint here, you can select the operating system of your choice. So I'll go with Windows here. And even when you click the drop down arrow, you can choose a specific window version if that is what you want. But let's just go with all version for this demonstration. If you scroll down, you have more advanced settings, but let's just leave the default settings if you don't know what to do here. The default setting will always work for you. Once I'm done, I will click the confirm button. As you can see, I have new 5 browser profiles that have been batch created for me, in addition to the single profile I already created before now. All I need to do here is to come to the operations tab here, and then I can open my browser from here. And then I can go ahead and start browsing undetected, ChatGPT in this instance. So let's come here and open ChatGPT from here. And as you can see, we have ChatGPT opened, and every one of the 5 browsers I have opened can all access ChatGPT via different unlinked accounts. And that is how Dicloak Antidetect Multilogin browser work and help you secure your multiple accounts that you have just created. So if you want to enjoy the Dicloak promo, all you need to do is to go ahead and subscribe to any of the promo options by clicking the blue button here. Pick your option, top up, choose your payment option and enter your top up amount and go ahead to checkout. And then once you check out and your payment is successful, you can go ahead and start enjoying your promo. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share it, and if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, then hit the subscribe button so that YouTube can notify you when I publish the next video.